Hey folks, you want a tight little bag to hold you over when you're up on the ladder, putting in lights overhead. You know, you got to have your hands empty, but you need your tools right there, and you don't want to climb up and down the ladder, or you're just a homeowner, want to get to work around the house and keep all your tools with you and not have to run back and forth. Check out this little Magno Grip 9-pocket maintenance bag. Hey y'all, welcome back. I don't know if you've seen this brand yet, Magno Grip, one of those little 9-pocket maintenance pouch. I was strolling through the Home Depot, as I'm wont to do sometimes, and I was looking for a little kind of a side pocket carrier pouch to hold stuff when I'm working in the shop and I need to be away from my bench or whatever, and that way I've always got it with me, and I thought, hey, this thing might fit the bill. It's got a little belt clip, or you can run your big belt through there if you want to take it on and off, and easier than trying to get your clip over your fat belly roll like I got. That might be the thing for you, but I saw this and I thought this might be just the right size. I got it mainly so I can have like a little, they got the little carriers for your impact drive or drill set, but most of them kind of have that and two little pouches for your bits or whatever. But this one, Magno Grip, that's a magnet. Took me a minute to figure that out. That's not even why I got it, but look, you can throw your bits on there, some screws, whatever you need, handy extra side pocket. So I thought, well, okay, we'll try it out and see. So I just got it. I haven't really put it through the paces yet, but I thought I'd put a little load in there and see what we could get away with. And maybe more usable for, it says maintenance pouch, maybe a little maintenance guy or a DIY around the house. This would be handy if you're up on the ladder and you got somewhere to store all your stuff without getting that big, 20-pocket contractor's belt like you're framing houses with. But on that subject, if you're carrying around your speed square, it'll fit down in there pretty nice. If you're laying out some electronic stuff or electrical boxes, you can put your Kleins in there. And a 7-in-1 and 11-in-1. Your flip socket set fits in there real nice. Stays down kind of low, and there's even loops in the back so your stuff doesn't like tip forward. It doesn't just rattle around in the big pocket. So that's pretty nice. You got a pair of diagonal cutters you want to put in there with it. All right, we got room there. Let's say you got your Knipex electrician's shears. Look at there, that one fits up there pretty good too. It's got a tape loop built in. Easy little thumb clip, pops on and off. There's 1,001 uses. Here's one that comes with it. This is a neat little idea, but carpenters, maybe if you got your carpenter's pencil you want, it's not a recoilless, it's magnetic. Whole thing comes off with you. Look at there. Pretty neat. You got some needle nose pliers, little brand there, go in the front. Well, you got another Klein 11-in-1 impact. Pop it in there. See, the options are endless. There's 4 loops in the back here, so you can get 4 tools in there held pretty good. Now they're not going to keep from tipping out, but they're not going to roll around in there like if you just lay them in the box or in the bag. They'll stay up in there a little better. So yeah, overall I think this is pretty cool. Interesting little bag here. You got another little clip for your big marker you want to put in there. Got you a big Sharpie. That fits anywhere. If you've been around our channel, you know we like that Pica Dry pencil. Look at there. Leave that in there. Get it down there to hook. Pops out the bottom. You got plenty of room on the bottom. Now you take your pencil, mark it, drop it back in there. So yeah, that's what I got it for mostly. Just around the shop. I'm never near the bench where I need my tools at. I'm always walking from plasma table or the router, and I tie most of my stuff down with little screws like that. I use big ugly chunks of wood and I screw them down to the spoil board and just cut what I need out of there. So I haven't gotten my whole exact setup I want to use yet, but I just got it home. Thought I'd take a look at it and see what kind of options it has. It looks pretty handy. So yeah, there you go. The Magno Grip 9-pocket maintenance pouch. Pretty sweet. Feels durable too. It's got the nylon is not that stiff, you know, like you get off your cheap products that looks like doesn't ever move. This is soft, pliable. It's well stitched. USA made, I think. If you need your, if you like that, yep, made in. This company's out of Miami, I think. Yeah, Miami, Florida. They show another couple little products there. Got a little back belt and the extra pouch with the sling on it. So there you go, Magno Grip. I'll leave some links in the comments or in the description if you want to take a look at it. It seems like it's pretty nice. I'll run it a couple times and see what loadout I come up with, but it seems pretty nice. All right, folks, thanks for watching. We'll get back to you later. Thanks a lot.